Hello friend, in this video we are going to learn how to install Koha on Linux Mint. For that I have typed all command here and given in description below. So just copy from here and paste in terminal. So open your terminal. For that press Ctrl Alt and T simultaneously and go to root. After that copy sudo apt-get update and paste, hit enter. After that if you want upgrade your Ubuntu, after that add Koha community repository, so copy and paste. See key OK, update. Now time to download and install Koha release, hit enter. After this operation 819 MB of additional disk space will be used. If you agree, press Y and hit enter. It will take time, it depends on your availability of network. Pause here because the length of video. See here Koha installation process complete. After that pre-web install setup, so just copy and paste 8000 for INTRAPORT and 8001 for OPACPORT. Edit it, save it. After that install database, MariaDB or MySQL. So install mysql-server. So just copy and paste, press enter, type Y, pause here. You can see MySQL server installation is complete. After that Apache module, just copy and paste in terminal, hit enter. Sudo service Apache to restart. After that create database, so just copy and create database unilibrary, copy and paste in terminal. Start koha injection daemon for unilibrary, OK. After that sudo mysql secure installation, just copy, paste, hit enter, press N, new password. Remove anonymous user, yes. Disable root login, yes. Remove test database, yes. Reload privilege table now, yes. All done. After that set up default ports. For that copy and paste in terminal, type here listen 8000 for INTRAPORT and OPACPORT 8001 for OPACPORT. So listen 8001 and 8000 for OPACPORT and INTRAPORT. save it. After that, enable module and site to inside unilibrary. So copy and paste. After that, now time to web installation. For that, type in browser localhost colon 8000 INTRAPORT. You can see here. Please enter your username and library username and password. Koha unilibrary or database. After that, for password, copy link and paste in terminal. You can see here our password. Just copy and paste in password. After that, choose your language, English default. Continue to the next step. Check file dependency, database setting, connection established. After that, continue to the next step, set up database. Now we are ready to create the database table and it will take time. Success database table created. After that, continue to the next step. Install basic configuration setting. Continue to the next step. Select your mark flavor, mark 21. Continue to the next step. After that, selecting default setting. We can see here default mark 21 standard authority type. You can tick mark according to your need. It is optional. If you want, click and import. Click on import. It will take time. Pause here. Default data loaded and basic installation complete. After that, set up some Koha basic requirement. Installation complete. Click here to start onboarding process. So library code, name, submit. After that, create Koha administrator patron, surname, first name, card number, library, union library, patron, staff, username, Koha library, set password, confirm password, submit. Create a new item, description, item type code BK, description books. After that, create a new circulation rule, library branch, patron category, item type, current checkout, loan period 14 unit days, renewal allowed to renewal period 2, hold allow total 10, change it is your according to your need. After that, submit. Complete circulation rule created. Congratulations, you have finished and are ready to use Koha. So press on start using Koha. You can see here localhost 8000, username Koha library which is last created, and type here password which is last created, login. You can see here our Koha installation is complete. After that, you can see our OPACPORT 8001, OPACPORT for 8001. Can type here and search. Our OPACPORT is complete. So thank you, friend.